Okay, so I've just issued the delivery list. We can go and see how it looks. I'm actually working on the production machine in Synthos now, okay? So, we have these three delivery lists, and of course we have the actual documents. Okay, that looks something like that. We have the plate number here. We have the delivery list numbering, and I believe we're going to be able to see it in the ePod system as well. So that's pretty much it. I know I went pretty fast on this, but it's boring stuff, I believe. So
what has happened actually right now is that the shipment that was created in the ERP system as a sample case, as I told you before, is sent to the Euridice platform. The connection from the ERP to the Euridice is already being established, and what we want to show now and what we want to see right now is how the actual loading will take place and monitor it, also the transportation phase through Euridice. So we have to move out, I guess.
Yes, so it goes like that, I just quickly explain in 2 minutes what we're going to see, then we move out and we see the loading with the PDA, so the loading of the item into the ship, then we come in and we follow on screen what's happening in the truck. So basically, this is a front end for the Euridice part of the application. We have before transformed the data coming from the ERP and loading into the format that's understandable by Euridice, and we have the current status that we are planning a shipment that is going to be initiated when the cargo is actually loaded on the truck. So basically along the way, when we go outside, we will see some events coming, basically position and shock events, which are the ones that we carry in this particular case. So the truck is going to move around the different streets, and it's going to stop in the waypoints that have been defined by the ERP or whatever, and it's going to do the unloading in the hub, like Jorgo explained, with the PDA. And so we're going to see here the receipt, which is going to be sent, and the different position and geofence events, so when it's arriving and when it's departing from the different positions. Basically that's it, and then he's going to show apart a different front end for the ERP. Mm-hmm. So now who wants can move outside to see the truck, otherwise you can stay here and wait for us to come back. So in one of the possible combinations, the easiest to facilitate the process, every truck has a RFID which is connected to the platform. It's there in the cabin, so it's now reading to start the loading process, and then it's getting all the information about the theoretical items that should belong, what we saw before that was inserted by the ERP. So he gets the list, and then he's going to come here to actually read them while he's loading. List of items. I don't know if they want to check the monitor. By the in this case, or directly here. Purposes and event.
Item which does not belong .
Possible issue, but we have usually what you do, you simple web interface.
Not start. Should we